Oh my god, guys, the weather is very bad tonight, and look at what it done to our backyard. Oh my god, look, everything is blown away here. And look at our fence. Oh my god, this is terrible. Look at what it done to our fence. Oh my god, it's blown away. Oh god, everything is broke. It's happened tonight, guys. So look at that, it's terrible. It's blown away all our fence right here. It's terrible. So oh my god, so it's snapped. I can't believe this. So it snapped the whole thing. So everything is blown away right now. I can't believe there's here a big bang. Oh my god. Do you got any kids right there, right? You got any kids here?
Yeah, they're inside.
Yeah, okay, just thinking the pool, so
Yeah, that's right. We've normally got a puppy out here, but I put her inside.
Yeah, so our puppy was inside as well, like. Oh my god, I think my god, was it a big noise right here?
Alright. Well, we'll come out and talk about it in the morning.
Yeah.
What else we can do now?
Yeah, no, I'm just thinking a video, cause thinking.
Yeah, no, that's right. They're growing up kids. They know not to go near the pool and stuff, so it's good.
Okay, that's cool, yeah.
So, chat in the morning.
Yeah, cool. Have a good night. Whoa, I can't believe that it's everything just flew away. Yes, that's really windy day. I can't believe that it's just, oh, it's freezing cold at the moment.